The recipe page is where you can view all recipes in the database and add them to your My Menu. Let's find a main dish chicken recipe for dinner this week. Click in the Search Recipes box and type chicken. Scroll through the database of chicken recipes. How about chicken and avocado burritos? If you would like, you can view the recipe on the Recipe Source site by clicking on the link. To add this recipe to your meal plan, first adjust how many servings of the recipe that you would like to make and how many servings you plan to eat. Then, click on the Add to Your Meal button. Your planned menu for the week will be displayed. Notice you are currently in edit mode and gray boxes will indicate where to add to your weekly menu. Select the day of the week and meal time that works well for your schedule. Let's add it to lunch on Saturday. Click Save, and you will see the burrito has been added to your weekly plan. To delete the originally planned entree for Saturday's lunch, click on it and you will see a red trash can appear. Then use the Delete button to remove it. Click the X to close your menu grid and again to close the recipe card. Easily search for recipes by category by clicking on the All Available Recipes button. Select a category to view, and again on a subcategory. Click on the recipe title to open the recipe card and add it to your My Menu. You can also browse our featured recipes. Simply click on a desired category like Main Dishes. Then click on the recipe you would like to view. From here, you can go through the same steps to add it to your meal plan. View the recipe's nutrient profile by clicking on the nutrient icon. To enter a favorite family recipe or download a recipe to be analyzed, click the Recipe Analyzer button. Then select if you want to enter a recipe or download one and go through the process. Analyzed recipes will be saved in your My Recipes library and are available to add to your planned weekly menu. Keep in mind, any recipes you add to your meal plan will change your pre-calculated planned caloric intake and may be outside your caloric target, resulting in a menu that does not meet your nutrition requirements or goals.